guys, it's me, Ayesha Naomi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're making DIY decorative garland set. This is what is called bird. In our last video we made the birdhouse. So this is garland. Yeah, garland bird. So let's do it. Okay. Here it is. Here it is, guys. Oh, I have also a ribbon because no ribbon right there, and I have double-sided tape foams because it's in my house. So let's pop it out. So pop, 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 pop. Be careful because it will rip off because this is only paper. This is not only chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets. Here it is, guys. Here's the two piece parts. Now let's get the stem. Gently. You don't want to lose anything with your love. Okay. Oh, here's the stem. I kind of little broke. We have one more stem right here. Get another stem. Hey. My name is Jackie. You wanna play? Okay, there it is. Now we have two stems. Now let's get these ones. These balls. Like meatballs. Here it is, the meatballs. These are two pairs of sides. So here's some flour. There are two flowers. Here it is. Let's get the mini owls. There's a big owl and a small owl. There. Now one more meatballs. And the big bird. Here. Trash. So guys, now let's see the instructions. Okay. Now we will just set aside these stems. Set aside these meatballs. This flour, we need this actually. These one I need, and those arrows are gonna be there. Now let's set aside these ones. So let's get one more of these ones. You have a mini ribbon you need to take off and set aside. And this mini part, you don't need this anymore because it's gonna be. You need only these ones. This one. Now, the other one. Sorry. There, like that. Now, let's get the stems, like here, and put it right there. That's okay if it's big. Now, let's get the sticky ones. If you don't like these ones, you can usually use glue. Now, peel. This is double-sided tape. And put it right here. There. Oh no. Put it there. And there and there. Okay. Glue right here. Stick it right there. And there. Oh, there. That's quite enough. Now we need to set aside these ones. Oh, let's get the ribbon and put it right here, so it will be perfectly beautiful, like that. And if you want, just put it. If you don't put it, if that's okay with you. Now there. Now let's get these ribbons. Now I need help. Handy. Thank you, Handy. Now, Handy is my size up, by the way. So like that. And I will glue it like these stars. Glue like there and stick. Oh, I think that's not. So I'll just use these again. Using it again. Oh gosh. Handy, just hold there. My best friend Handy is helping me. Now let's just put it right here. Oh no, my hands are sticky. Put it right there. Mom, Handy. Now let's just stick this up. In there, like that. Now let's get these ones and put it right here. Now let's get another one and this one. There. Handy. There. Now let's get the mini owl. Mini. Ow, ow, ow! Now let's get some glue. Put a little bit of glue right here. Stick it right here. Like that. Oh my gosh. Because if it's falling because my hand is sticky. There. My hand is not sticky enough. Now let's get this one, this flower, and let's put it right there. Let's get this. Put it right there. And there. Now let's get this owl. This owl now, let's put it. Handy. There. Now let's put it right there. Like that. Let's get one more. Put some glue. Put the owl. Get these ones. Stick it right here. And one more. And stick it right here in the back. And a presto! Super cool, guys. Whoa. Guys, here it is, our garland. Super cute, right? Super beautiful. There's a little mini owl right there, and a beautiful flower, and what is called owl. And here's one more. And guys, thank you. I hope you like my video, and please subscribe right there, and click the bell button on there, and please share right there. Okay, guys, and see you guys next time. Bye!